Jasper. Kaboy. It's chilling. How good. Loving it. Steve-O launching down there. How good is this? Oh yeah, nice.
Huh?
Get cruising?
Yep. I haven't got any lures on yet. Look at the doggo, he's as happy as a pig in mud.
He loves it, doesn't he?
Ready for a nap.
What's that?
He's ready for a nap already. Just there's current here, Flynn. You just have to guide yourself. You know, keep your nose straight. That's all.
Yeah.
It's like I'm in a helicopter or something. I'm just bloody floating around you. It's not bad actually.
Definitely skegs off and skegs up. So the old 300 Seagull 300X is a bit bloody, bit like a 360 boat.
No.
Want to go explore, don't you, Jasper? Oh, just rip my nostril off with your fishing rod.
What's that?
I said, just rip my nostril off with your fishing rod.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had to duck it.
Oh. No. Paying.
He sees the bottom, he wants to get out.
Yeah, literally, yeah. No. No. Back in.
How nice is this?
What's that?
How nice is this?
Yeah, how good is this? Yeah. No.
G'day guys, we're on the Avon River today. We've launched back up at Wombats and we're heading down to Valencia Creek. It's a little bit low, so we're skull dragging kayaks a little bit. We've got that naughty child behind us, my son with his dog Jasper, who's still quite young and not that obedient yet. He is being trained and Flynn puts a lot of effort into training him, but he's a bit excited. Yes, but it's a beautiful day. Still a bit of wind around, unfortunately. Had a lot of wind this spring, so yeah, and now we're into summer, of course, and it's still windy. But a beautiful day, as you can see. Got the rod with me, and just sort of being warmer weather. We're only fishing the deeper holes, so to speak, but yeah, beautiful day and really nice, crystal clear water. We've skull dragged the boats and slipped in a couple of spots, so we're wet, but the water's just beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, but yeah, we've left one car at Valencia Creek, and we're just paddling down to that, going with the current, of course. So pretty easy going. It's a great way to spend the afternoon, that's for sure. Look where his front paws are. They're right on the tip of the boat.
Yeah, he's 2 seconds of slipping off.
Flynn's got a new figurehead. It's called Jasper Dog.
Jasper? No.
On the old sailing boats, they used to have a figurehead under the bowsprit, Flynn.
Oh, yeah.
Carved figurehead.
Yeah, I know the ones. See him on Pike's cabins. But... How clear is the water? Oh, it's unreal.
This is like the Tangel River, but twice as big. Yeah.
Yeah. This is where it was widening out on our maps, was it?
Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah.
I think we've gone through that shitty, creaky bit that you could see on the map, sort of thing.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't call it yet.
There you go, you little shit. Give me.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there he is.
I think it's just a goanna, Flynn. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
You going alright? You going alright? Is this a little too much adventure for you?
What's that?
Is this a little bit too much adventure for you? No?
Faster to drag this thing.
Do you want to open up your valves, get the water out of the bottom?
How do I do that?
There's valves all along it.
Nah, here we go. We'll have to get across the road up here anyway, so it might be wrong.
Yeah, righto, yep. There's a fence up there I can see. More carp.
What's that?
More carp. So on the beautiful Avon River, but we've bailed. We're about sort of halfway doing what we were about to do. Dog's a bit pooped. Young Jasper's a bit pooped. But yeah, we've left the car up there, up the hill, and about 5 k's that way, and the other car's back 5 k's that way. But so we're doing a loop and running back and going back to the other car and doing a car shuffle. But we've got to here and thought, oh, we're going to probably run out of light. It's getting quite late in the afternoon, and it's only about 5 k's walk back to the other car, so we've decided to bail. I've sent Flynn back to pick up the other car. So yeah, we'll have a dog and bark, I always say. So yeah, Jasper's a bit plum tuckered out. So yeah, but we probably could have done it. Would have got back to the cars pretty late, I reckon. So anyway, it's a nice part of the world, and it's been a good paddle, but it's just a little bit low, you know. We're just walking the kayaks a fair bit. So we'll bail on the idea and find a camp for the night and have a cold beer, and it'll all be good. You know what I love, Flynn?
What's that?
You know what I love?
What's that?
When the fire's warm, the beer's cold,
Mm.
and the salty snacks are salty.
Bloody hell.